High five. Oh boy, I'm gonna shut off the other camera. I'm gonna do it. You bet I'm gonna do it. What's up, Fivers? What's up, Fivers? Woo! This was a lot of fun. Man, and I injured myself. I cut myself right there. This is neat though. I'm gonna watch it. Okay. So the dice, it doesn't tumble the dice a lot, but they do hit something and tumble a bit. But it's definitely a conversation piece. It's definitely cool. I do have more support material to clean up, but I can always do that at a later date. I love this color though. Look at that. Look at that. That pink from Protopasta. Or it's like a light red. It's something. Print on the Mark III, and then Chuck's Candy Apple Red at the bottom. I should probably hit this with a heat gun. Yeah, it's got a little bit of stringing on it, just a little bit. Make it look good. Make it look real good. There we go. What's great about the Protopasta HTPLA is that it can take a bit of heat and keep its structure, just like we talked about when we were annealing the shifter knob for my car, which means if you have stringing, you don't have to worry as much as deforming your piece with a heat gun because the material has the composition and the molecular arrangement to stay its shape. That's kind of neat. I'm going to close that. Oh man, this pile right here, that's my work. That's blood right there. This turned out good. I'm kind of happy with it. I saw it one day, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna print that. And then on the Zortrax, it was like, geez, this thing is huge. And then I started printing this, and I'm like, this is gonna take 40 some odd hours to print. And yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm very okay with this. I hope you like it. I hope this kind of stuff is enjoyable. I'm trying to bring back... Oops, I got some red fleck. I'm trying to bring back more fun builds. I'm just trying to bring back more fun to the channel. Fun, you know, just general fun. Because I mean, I could print everything in the world, and I can take care of sponsorships and advertiser requirements and all that sort of thing. But if you're not having enough fun, what's the point? And there were times when I wasn't having enough fun. Quick, I have to get this. Quick. And I can understand having to do that sometimes, but all the time, no. Not cool. Not cool. I could spend another hour getting supports and stuff out of this thing, which isn't my jam. Which isn't my jam at all. Some of you do that though, and you guys are superstars because, my goodness, that's amazing. Simply amazing. Yeah, all that support that's still in there, maybe it'll come out someday. Oh, I wonder if you could put it this way. No, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so that is correct. The most correct. I wonder if I could paint that. That'd be kind of cool. It does look glaciery. Well, there we go. Thanks for your support. Hope you enjoyed the video. We got some more stuff that's coming up that's pretty cool. And I'll see you on the next one.